Hey, GED students, let's continue to look at exponents at a more advanced level. There's something important you need to understand, and that is that exponents, well, they're kind of weak. Let's take a look at this problem. It says translate the phrase 2/5 to the fourth power into an arithmetic expression. Do not simplify. So first of all, what am I even asking you to do? If I ask you to translate it into an arithmetic expression, I'm really just asking you to take words and put it into the symbols that we use in math. And so sounds easy enough. And I even specify to you, do not simplify. So you don't even have to do the math as you think about it. You just have to write down what this expression says using symbols. And that being said, though, most of you would still make an error. I see this a lot. I'll see 2/5 to the fourth power. Looks good, right? It looks good. Problem is here, can't tell what this 4 is working on. In fact, it looks to me like that's just 2 to the fourth power over 5. Really hard to tell the difference. And that's a very different expression than taking all of 2/5 and raising it to the fourth power. I'm not asking you to do 2 to the fourth power over 5. And so I need to use a symbol, use something to show you that I want to raise the entire fraction to the fourth power. Not even that difficult. Use those lovely parentheses. Say, I want to take all of this 2/5 and raise it to the fourth power. You got to get real comfortable working with parentheses when you use exponents. It's important that we use those parentheses to clarify exactly what is being raised to the power. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.